What's going on, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here, passive income guru, doing a little bit of day trading this afternoon. I want to kind of show you guys what I'm doing here. As you guys know, I am back into the Forex trading game, and I am going to master this skill going into the 2020 New Year. And I want to take some people with me who want to learn this skill. So right now, and let me just say this, I am no master trader yet. I will be in 2020. Okay. Can kind of show you guys what I'm doing now. I'm in a UJ trade right now, USD JPY, and I want to show you right now why I took this trade. I'm about 5%. At a 5% increase right now. Okay. I can get out right now. Okay. And be just fine for the day. There's a different mindset when it comes to trading that you have to have, guys. I've realized this, over time. When you see profit, I don't care if it's 1%. I don't care if it's 3%. Take your profits. Take your profits. One thing in the past that I've failed to do, with trading is when I see profit, a significant gain, I try to stay in as long as I can. But now I have a different mindset. What I'm going to do now is when I see a gain, 1%, when I see 5%, whatever it is, I don't care. What I see, I'm going to take my profits. Okay. And you got to be disciplined enough to walk away. Now, a lot of you guys probably don't know what you're looking at right now. That's okay. So let me tell you why I took this trade. All right. First of all, as you can see here, we are on the daily chart. Okay. We're on a daily chart. And as you can see, let me kind of make this a little better for you. Make this a little better. As you see on the daily chart, we have a uptrend. Okay. How do we know we have an uptrend? You see that I drew a trend line right here. Okay. So the market is actually going up on the daily chart. Okay. You see price action here. You see price come down to the trend line, it hits it, bounces back up. Price comes down to the trend line, hits it, comes back up. Now I drew a little channel here to actually zoom in on what's going on. Okay. As you can see, we have an uptrend here. Now we also have, if you come right here, we also have some resistance here. So price came up, bounced down. Price came up to this area, bounced down, came up again and bounced all the way down. Came up and bounced down. Now, I took the trade because I saw this right here. You see that? We have, I believe that's a hammer. It rejected off of this resistance and part of the trend line, and then rejected, and then boom, came down. So what I did, I dropped down to the 4-hour chart, and I saw that it was overbought. Okay. And this is like zooming in on that same channel. Kind of do this for you real quick. Okay, you see that rejection, and then it came down. Nice little wick right here. Okay, still a little bit of indecision, but I said, hey, let me just go ahead and get in. Then I came down to the hour chart right here, and you see this long. You see all this green right here. This is a moving average, and it kind of acts like a trend line. You see how price is respecting that zone right there. So what it did, this is a support zone right here. It actually broke through. It actually broke through this MA. Okay, and when it breaks through this, guys, that is a strong indication that it's probably going to continue down. Okay, now I have another confirmation over here. It's my other computer. here's another confirmation that you see where I got in at right here. Now this area right here, this right here you see is actually Fibonacci. If you don't know what Fibonacci is, don't worry about it. But Fibonacci told me that when price gets to this area, it's probably going to reject off somewhere in here, which it did. You see it came up around here. You see that wick right there? Okay, that wick hit that red part and it rejected and came down. I got in right here. I should have got in probably around right here where there was indecision. Okay, so that's what that is right there. Okay, all right, so that's pretty much why I took the trade. If we go down to the 30-minute chart, you see it even more right here. Okay, you see price. Look at price just tagging along on this MA, and then boom, it breaks it. It breaks it, retest it, and then boom, it's coming down. Okay. One more. 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Right here. Get this a little bit more. Okay. So 15-minute chart. It's just all we're doing is zooming in. It broke down, and you see price is coming down. Now, if you want to have a the higher the time frame, the better. The higher the time frame, the better. As you can see on the daily chart, price is way overbought right here. Let me show you this real quick. Right here, you see that? So price is way overbought. We have other confirmations right here. Price rejects, throws a hammer, rejects it. Boom. Another candle, got in right here. And we're just going to ride this wave. OK, now I'm probably going to close out here in the next few minutes. I'm not really a day trader. I am a day trader, but I'm not really a swing trader. Swing trading is more where you hold trades for longer periods of time, days, even weeks at a time. I'm more of a scalp trader. OK, but when I see a good setup like this, I may hold it a little bit longer. We'll see. OK, but this is why I am in the trade. Disclaimer, guys, profits are not guaranteed in Forex. You have to follow some rules. OK, you got to follow some rules. And if you want to learn this skill, we have a great system and training in place where we're going to teach you this skill. And while you're learning, guys, check this out. While you're learning, you will be also earning through our copy and paste system. OK, we have some professional traders in our group that gives out, copy and paste trades where you guys can just, while you're learning this skill, you can actually take their trades and win. You can take Dr. Spiller. You heard about him. Hopefully you had a chance to look at that webinar I did a couple of weeks ago about what he does and the training that he gives. He also gives signals as well. So, but you got to follow the rules. You got to be disciplined, and you can make this work. This right here, guys, is the real exit strategy. Forex is something that I've been wanting to master for a long time. This is something where you don't have to learn how to, market or anything like that. Just learn this skill, guys. Learn this skill, and you can be set for life. OK, if you want more information, you know where to find me. Also, I'm probably going to put this video on YouTube. And if you're on YouTube, the link to join is going to be below. Feel free to reach out to me if you got questions, and we'll talk to you guys soon. All right. Get yourself in Forex. Again, this is something that can pay you for years and years to come. This is where you can have your money work for you instead of you working for your money the rest of your life. Okay, that's what this is all about. So, yeah, so that's what it is. Courtney, yes, sister, we got you. Courtney, let us know when you're ready. we're ready for you. We're ready for you. Okay. We got everything in place. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. God bless.